AI is replacing tasks at an incredible speed. But here's the truth no one talks about. Not all skills are dying. In fact, some skills are becoming more valuable than ever. If you develop the right abilities now, you won't just survive the AI era. You'll thrive in it. Here are 7 skills that will remain powerful, even in an AI-driven world. Most people are asking the wrong question. They ask, will AI take my job? But the better question is, am I building skills that technology can't easily replicate? Because history shows something important. Technology doesn't eliminate value. It shifts it. And those who understand the shift early position themselves ahead of everyone else. Skill number 1, critical thinking. Add after your existing section. In a world where AI can generate thousands of articles, videos, and opinions in seconds, misinformation will increase. Noise will increase. Confusion will increase. The rare skill won't be producing information. It will be filtering it. Companies will desperately need people who can separate signal from noise, detect flawed reasoning, challenge automated outputs. If AI gives 10 answers, you must know which one actually makes sense. That's leverage. Skill number 2, creative strategy. AI can create options. But it doesn't understand brand positioning. It doesn't understand long-term market narrative. It doesn't understand cultural timing. Creative strategy is about knowing when to launch, knowing how to differentiate, knowing how to frame a message. AI is the tool. Humans define direction. The future won't reward people who create the most. It will reward people who choose the smartest path. Skill number 3, emotional intelligence. As automation increases, human interaction becomes premium. High-level negotiations, team leadership, conflict resolution, client relationships. These are environments where subtlety matters. AI can simulate empathy, but it cannot truly understand lived experience. And in high-stakes decisions, trust still wins. Skill number 4, AI literacy. You don't need to become a machine learning engineer. But you must understand what AI can do, what it cannot do, where it makes mistakes, how to guide it effectively. The people who thrive won't fight automation. They will orchestrate it. And the gap between AI users and non-users will grow every year. Skill number 5, system building. Most people think in tasks. Successful people think in systems. Instead of asking, what should I do today? They ask, how can I design a process that works without me? AI becomes powerful when plugged into systems. If you can design repeatable workflows, you multiply your impact. That's how small teams outperform large companies. Skill number 6, adaptability. The average career path used to be linear. Now it will be dynamic. You may change industries. You may change roles. You may reinvent yourself multiple times. The ability to learn quickly is now more important than what you already know. Because knowledge expires. But learning ability compounds. Skill number 7, ownership. Employment is fragile in the AI era. Ownership is resilient. If you build a personal brand, a content channel, a digital product, equity in a business, you gain leverage. AI may disrupt industries, but it cannot take ownership away from those who build assets. The future economy will reward creators, operators, and owners, not just employees. The AI era will create fear for many, but it will create opportunity for those who prepare. The difference between replacement and relevance is skill selection. Choose wisely. If you want to stay ahead in the AI era, make sure to subscribe to Future Leverage. We break down the future of money, technology, and digital opportunity, so you're never caught off guard. The future rewards the prepared. Be one of them.